Washington State and the National Highway Traffic Safety Commission are teaming up to conduct surveys on impaired drivers through this weekend. And KXLY4's Caiti Currey working for you with the details on what the state will do with all of that data. Caiti?
Well, Nadine, the survey is completely anonymous and voluntary. The goal is for the state to gauge what is in driver's system and to learn how they can better educate the public.
When you're driving down the road, do you ever wonder how many impaired drivers are around you? Well, we do too.
You've been randomly selected to participate in a voluntary and anonymous driver survey.
Washington State and the National Highway Traffic Safety Commission have asked the Pacific Institute for Research and Evaluation, or PIRE, to conduct a voluntary anonymous roadside survey of driver impairment in Washington.
This is the first time that we've ever done a driver impairment data collection study in Washington State.
The National Highway Traffic Safety Commission paid PIRE $250,000 to conduct the survey in 6 Washington counties. Because of the legalization of marijuana, the surveys will give a snapshot of motorists' drug and alcohol use before pot stores open in the coming months.
PIRE is actually going to run the study on, I think, about 75 drugs. So it'll be legal, illegal, and over-the-counter drugs.
PIRE will set up at random locations through Spokane County during the day and night. Motorists who volunteer can make up to $60 for their participation. For $10, volunteers will be asked questions about their drinking, drugging, and driving behavior, and another $50 if they consent to give a saliva and blood sample.
This way it'll give us actually a data of what is in the driver's system while they're driving.
The state hopes the data collected will help in efforts to prevent impaired driving, which is the #1 cause of fatal accidents in Washington.
This is going to actually help us focus the education where we need to so we can save lives.
Now, officials say that they had an amazing turnout today. The course ran 90 minutes longer than they usually do, and PIRE even made the comment that this is the biggest turnout they've seen in months. They will be back again in another 7 to 8 months after the marijuana shops open to compare data to now and after the shops open. Reporting live in Spokane, Caiti Currey, KXLY4 News.